plastics engineering company known as PLENCO manufactures a wide range of phenolic resins and thermoset molding materials, which incorporate reinforcements, minerals, fillers, and/or liquid additives. To blend these ingredients uniformly, the company relies on two Munson Rotary Batch Mixers, which have been in service since 1983. The mixers have no agitators, internal shafts, or related bearings or seals. Instead, a horizontally oriented vessel rotates on external trunnion rings located at each end. As the vessel rotates, ingredients enter through a stationary inlet at one end and discharge through a stationary outlet at the other. Inside, proprietary mixing flights create a gentle four-way mixing action that tumbles, turns, cuts, and folds the ingredients, producing on-spec blends in 3 to 5 minutes with no product degradation. They also create a fluid bed that is ideal for incorporating liquid additions through spray nozzles within the mixing vessel. A pneumatic conveyor transports resins from compounding units to this holding hopper, which loads material into either of the mixers, after which loss of weight feeders dose the batch with powder additives. At the conclusion of a cycle, the mixer's discharge gate opens as the vessel continues to rotate, causing internal flights to direct the batch toward and through the gate and onto an enclosed belt conveyor which delivers it for packaging. Thorough discharge with little or no residual eliminates material waste and minimizes cleaning time, while hinge doors on either side of the vessel provide access to all material contact surfaces for cleaning and visual inspection. The plant manager says, "The longevity of the machines is a testament to my predecessors who selected them. They're quality pieces of equipment and just plain reliable." See the industry's widest selection of bulk mixing and blending equipment at munsonmachinery.com.